Welcome back to Ishi&Mico TV. Today we have so many squishies. See? And I got two, Mika got two. And it's really, really soft. And I picked these.
Show them one, it's a burger.
And this could be my giveaway for my birthday, for my friends. So they relax playing these. And I got a nut and a teddy bear. And there's so many more others. And this is a Hello Kitty one. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. A donut. Oh, look at this one. I want to have that. This is really cool, guys. But I changed my mind. Wait for a second here. So guys, I chose this unicorn red, I guess. And I'm gonna put in this one in the box. So there are so many more squishies. Oops. Okay, guys, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Guys, look. And don't forget, let's put all of the squishes in here. So we can find it so fast. Because we're using this for my birthday. This is the giveaway. And did you watch my mommy's channel? Because all of that is have all my birthday things. And her channel is Bam Bam. Go check it out now on YouTube. Wait, where's the napkin? I found it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.